Afternoon. Some of you have already received personal messages from me and also trade plans. Some others trade plan message and exact entries. Today we have got already the very important data. Today is the most important day of this quarter or this week especially. So the final manufacturer PMI is higher than expected. The ISM manufacturing PMI is also so in red zone, and JOLTS job opening skyrocketing. So we have also a very bearish number, another bearish number, ISM manufacturing prices, so all very bad for the stock market and crypto. And the only positive number was construction spending. You saw, okay, some bulls are very happy about it. Also, we are expecting the crude oil inventories. If you remember, so I told you because of the tensions, the crude oil going down now. You can see here that currently at around 81, was near of 80 this morning. So I'm expecting maybe the market can go to 77. NASDAQ has started to open the market very weak. S&P a little bit harder, but quit the fight. So on the other side, we have seen that the crypto market is going down very, very roughly and very bad. And of course, on the other side, gold and VIX and the US dollar skyrocketing. So the US dollar is in a bullish correction phase, so meaning trend up, but so some profit taking, and therefore the US dollar starts now, as you can see, to get up. So the most measure and unmanipulated indicator, three you have, the dollar, the VIX, and gold. I have a good surprise for you too. So if you go to the YouTube and in the search box you type Davy Brasco and inflation, then you get a bunch of very good videos I made also in the past that are explaining, for example, the connection is, for example, because some traders, also investors, see the crude oil as a very important indicator. And the question is, if inflation is going high, is rising, and the oil price rising on the same time, is that good for the economy, or is it a good measure to estimate if inflation is going down or not? Because there are a couple of very good indicators we can estimate. And in these videos, then I have explained the both sides, also some very important economic data. So go and watch these videos. So I made a lot of these videos. So you can see here, for example, NASDAQ crash, collapsing dollar, the US dollar as a major and prediction indicator that can tell you if the stock market will go down, yes or no. So, and then I wanted to give some tips also about the psychology, as psychology is very important while trading. You make, for example, your rules and you learn them and you try to practice. I practice this every day since many, many years. Well, in a different way. And I use, for example, the technology as I'm making my own trading indicators for myself. And there are custom indicators. You can see here that, for example, on every indicator I'm using, and on the same time, I have written or typed already my mantra. Yes, for example, trading is discipline, and discipline makes happy, right? Then on the other one, for example, we can find uptrend, so you can go on and discipline makes happy. Then we have then a bunch of indicators, and that way if you trade all the time, you can, for example, type your thoughts but in a positive way, just the affirmation do, and also beliefs you have, right? Because a lot of traders, for example, they have a lot of winning trades and also a lot of losing trades, and at the end of the day or the week, the month, the year, so the account is empty, zero, or on the same level. And whatever they do, and a lot of them are very smart people, so they don't make any progress. And the reason is very simple: the subconscious mind, we were taught to learn thoughts and beliefs that's not our own, and like the fake news media, right? So as I told you, especially in these times, each time the market is collapsing, the fake news media spread Bitcoin will go to $1 billion, and if the Bitcoin is going up, then they spread fear. And also at school and during our education, from since our born, as we were born, and until we die, so we all are surrounded and controlled by billion opinions of other people, right? And that way, I make sure, for example, the beliefs, your belief system, what you really think about money, right? About wealth, about getting rich or being rich, is very, very important. About the financial freedom, for example, right? For example, you can write mantras like, I deserve success, right? So because your success is benefiting people who are surrounding you, right? Being wealthy, it is okay if you are rich. It is okay if you are a winner. It is okay if you have money and you make much more money, because you are happy, you make your family, your friends happy by helping them, and also a lot of people, maybe you don't know them, and that way you start to establish foundations or factories or whatever plans you have to help those people, and also to motivate them, to help them to improve and to get also wealthier. So I believe that the more wealthy people in the world, the less war and crime will be governed and will govern our life, right? So this is maybe psychological tips, and as you trade every day with the same indicator, then the message will be delivered automatically in your subconscious mind, and very soon you will see a big progress.